Tired of manually sending invoices and chasing down payments? Here's how to automate the entire process in Go High Level so you get paid faster without lifting a finger. Today I'm showing you how to set up Go High Level automation that sends invoices automatically when you land a new client or complete a service. By the end of this tutorial, your invoices will send themselves and you'll never miss a payment request again. Before we start our automation, we first want to create a template for our invoices that we will use inside of our automation. We're going to do that by going into our Go High Level account. We're going to navigate to payments. And from here, we're going to go to the horizontal navigation under invoices and estimates, and we will click template. This is what we're going to use inside of our automation. We're going to choose new template. So from here, we can set up the invoice template that we will use for our workflow. So you will set up the template, not only the kind of branding aspects of it, but you can also set up the products that you're going to use. I'm going to rename this as inFlow membership here at the top. And we can update the business information, so like the company name, website, phone number, address, city, state, as well as updating the business logo. You can see that information over here on the right side of the screen. Next, I'm going to either select a product that we have in here, or we can create a new product, which I'm going to do so I can show you. I'll say that the product name is the inFlow monthly membership. We'll say it is a digital good. Price name, we can call it standard. Amount, we'll change that to $97. You can add a tax category as well, and you can save this for later use. Please keep in mind that you cannot set up recurring products in this standard template, but you can set up a recurring kind of product template. It's a little bit different in High Level. Right now, this is for like a one-time membership. So this is like 1 month only. I can't make it be recurring here. You can add an automatic discount or like a terms and conditions, or you can add an attachment as well if you'd like to. You can save this. As you see, this is the templates. But then if you want recurring invoices, you would come up here and you'd have to create a new recurring invoice that would necessarily be a template, just to let you know. So now let's navigate to the automation tab. Since we've created our template, we'll navigate to the automation tab. And now we're going to begin our workflow. So we will create new workflow. We will start from scratch. And then I'll show you how to set this up. All right, from here, now we want to rename this workflow to auto invoice sender. I'll say what this invoice is for. This is for the membership. Now we're going to add a new trigger, and we're going to base this off of a pipeline. So let me click here. We'll add new trigger, and we'll base it off of a pipeline stage change. We'll change this to if it's in the pipeline of consultation pipeline. We'll say the pipeline stage is the last one, saying service completed. And we will save this trigger. So what this is saying to us is that if the pipeline in the consultation pipeline, the person went to the service completed stage, that's how this workflow is going to be triggered. Next, we will choose the send invoice trigger. From here, you can choose the user, so it can be any user on your team. We're going to use the inFlow team. And then you'll choose the template that you just created. Now you can say this mode can be in test or live mode. Test means a transaction can go through, but it won't actually happen. You can test this out for yourself. And then you can choose live. And then you can say whether you want them to get an email or a text, or you can do both. And that's actually very simple. That is how you set up an automatic invoice based on somebody completing a service. What happens is an automatic email and text is going to go out, not based on your workflow, but is based on the settings from your payment settings. And there's a default email and a default text that goes out. You can actually adjust that under the payment settings as well if you would like to. So now every time a client reaches that stage in your pipeline, then Go High Level will automatically create and send their invoice without you having to remember or manually do anything. Your client gets their invoices instantly, you get paid faster, and you save hours every week on admin work. Payment follow-ups have been made easy for you. Now, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn automations and strategies like these, then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side business. Link is in the bio and in the description. Build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. I'll see you soon.